Hey friends, if Windows can't get the network settings from the router, then please watch this video. So basically, this is a situation where other devices should be working with the router, but your computer cannot work with the router. Okay, so you will check every single possibility. First of all, we need to confirm whether the router is actually working with other systems. So check the internet connection on your phone and shift it from mobile internet to Wi-Fi to be very sure that it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Okay. Then check the password. The password should be correct. If the password is wrong, then that will be a problem. And obviously, try these basic checks like keep your system closer to the router, try to use the 5G network instead of the 2.5G network, etc. Okay. After this, reset the modem, router, and computer. So while keeping them connected, if possible, through a hardwire Ethernet cable, for switch off all the three devices, the modem, router, and computer. Now switch on the modem, wait till all the lights are stable. Once all the lights are stable, switch on the router, then wait till all the lights on the router are stable. When they are stable, then switch on the computer. Okay. Once this is done, you can be very sure that it will be picking up the correct IP address. But if it still doesn't connect, then run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Okay. The next solution will be to reset the network. And how would you reset the network? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network reset. Select network reset and then click on reset now. And then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.